Hello everyone and welcome back to Shoplista. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a zucchini chicken side dish. I mentioned this dish in my recent short, linked in my description box down below. You can use this dish to make the perfect lunch or dinner meal prep. This dish is the perfect way to consume a little extra protein and fiber, which makes it great for your weight loss journey. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and click the like button. Without further ado, let's get cooking. First, I'll season the chicken. All the ingredients I used will pop up on the screen. I will also list the ingredients I used in the description box down below. Grating fresh garlic. Now adding chicken breast. While we let the chicken sit in the marinade, I'll chop up the eggplant. According to WebMD.com, eggplant has antioxidants like vitamins A and C, which help protect your cells against damage. It's also high in natural plant chemicals called polyphenols, which may help cells do a better job of processing sugar if you have diabetes. After I sprayed the saucepan with oil, I added the chicken and the chopped eggplant. I let it simmer for a few minutes, then started mixing again. Now I'll chop up my veggies: red pepper, orange pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper, white onion, green onion, and cilantro. Adding green and yellow zucchini. According to healthline.com, zucchini is a versatile squash rich in vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds. It may offer several health benefits, ranging from improved digestion to a lower risk of heart disease. Zucchini may aid your bones, thyroid, and prostate. If you're curious, try adding this soft, mild fruit to your diet today. Thanks for watching this video. Comment down below if you will make this dish too. It was so good, even my children wanted to eat some. Don't forget to like this video up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.